I want to speak about my mammoth 1000D. This is going to be the final video for me, and the next video, not the final video, but there's going to be like a few parts after this about me getting this thing built, because I'm not building it here. I'm going to build it upstairs in my room because this thing weighs a lot and my fit's still not better, but that's a personal problem. I'm not explaining why that's all not. I'm not explaining that to you unless you know me outside this channel. But yes, this, why did I pick this case and any other case that was out there? Yes, as you know, I bought this second hand. Yes, there was a amount of fans in here. This case will allow me to do so much more. This is going to be the flagship for this channel because I have a couple of things I want to achieve in this case. And first of all, let's explain this case because this is such a marvelous case, and then we'll speak about what my plan for this case is. So at the front of it, look, I can even say hello there. It's such a marvelous. So basically, at the front, you can put an ATX using an ETX in it. Wow! At the bottom, I'll have some people follow this. At the bottom, you can fit on, is it an ITX? An ITX. So you can build two systems. So if you want to have a streaming computer in here, you could do that. Two builds for it. You can also put two power supplies for that second power supply. Great. It can hold. Wait for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 fans of 120, or you can go for the 240, then you can only fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope my math is correct. You can fit possibly two 320 radiators, a 320 radiator at the front, and possibly a 120 radiator at the back. But I'll show you a link exactly where Corsair, and you'll find exactly if I'm correct or not. It can also do water cooling. So, and that goes to why I want to build it. So, at the moment, I'm not water cooling, but something is, my case is too small. I have the link to the description. You'll find what I have at the moment. But what it lacks. Now, I looked at it when I put in my 3090. It's like, oh, I can't fit any build in there. So what I would like to do is put I can't water cool my system. I could, but I would like to water cool my CPU. I do have an AIO in it, which is an all water cooling system. But what I would like to do is do a custom build. Soft tubing. Now, I have watched plenty of guides on how to do it. From Jay's 2 Cents, Linus Tech Tips, Steven's Gaming Nexus. These are all good channels how to water cool it. I'm just a novice, and that's fine. But that's something I would like to eventually. Eventually, I'd like to change my MD4 build to an MD5. But that involves a new motherboard, a new processor, more because it's DDR5, so different memory. But that's so when I start growing and growing, this chassis will grow with me. Unless I find the money and then just buy it outright and go, yay, I'm doing it now. But this will be the flagship for this channel now, because it's been a case I've been looking at reviews, and it seems to do everything I want in it. Now, I want to get an ITX in here. Not for a streaming computer, but I want to put it as a Plex server. Overkill for a case, but it'll save so much room in. Basically, I can tear the system apart and put it right in here and signals and all of it. I need to work out how to do the fans, or like maybe how the top fan running while the other one's spinning. I may have to put them on dual loops fans. Look off. I don't know. It's so many things I can do with dual system. I've never done a dual system and I like to do it, but there's also things that I'm going to cool it as well. I could get hot glue and just stick some fans in here, so and call it a day. But this case is something I've been looking for. Now I need to adjust my case a wee bit, make sure it all fits, because at the moment I don't fit, so I need to move things around a wee bit. So the next part of this video will be me descending my case and me putting that computer into this build, because this case will be a nice build. It's such a big case. Now I am 6'3". I'm going to stand up now, and you can't even see me. It is scary how big this case is. Oh. So, but people may like. Oh. It's such a. I think my remote can fit in here. But I think what I like to build myself a small. So that ATX is also a small build factory. So what I would like to probably do at the first of all, build you a small build here, because I've got a case for it all ready to go. So I might just build one just to show you and then stick it in this case. I know that seems double work for me, but I enjoy building computers. I want to show you how to build computers, and I haven't managed to build too many computers on this channel, but it's something that I would like to do more. But lacking parts, money and time. So I don't do this full time, I do this barely part time. I do this 0 hours just when I can. So when I start rambling on, and if there's a few things that I like to, I'll probably build in this and figure out I need such and such build, because it's always the case when you build a new case, you can plan it perfectly, and I mean part to part to part, and there's always something will say, no, you're not building in here today, so guess what, you'll have to go to Amazon and buy something and then get it express shipping. So yay. But I'm glad I've shown you how to build, take you along the ride and show you how to build this. This is my new personal case. My wife hasn't seen it yet, so wife of three was going to be like, you sure about that? And I was going, yep. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.